My name is Crystal Walters. We are at Star Succulent Nursery in Lodi, California. We grow succulents, cactus, and tropical plants. We do a lot of events here at the nursery, including workshops where you get to create your own arrangements. So a lot of people like succulents because they multiply, have lots of babies. It is definitely an easier plant to grow. The main propagating we do is by cutting. It's easier to just mix other growers and us. One of my favorite varieties, I'm going to say, which is the Echeveria. They are just pretty. They have that rose shape and different colors. It's nice to mix them. I definitely would come to Lodi for the fruits and vegetables, go to a couple farm stands, load up my bin with lots of fruit. We are all supportive of each other. I get a lot of help from other growers. It's very easy to just go and ask someone about soil or what they're using for pests or anything like that. It's nice. There's definitely a great community.